Great, now that you learned what conversion tracking is and why it is so important, it's time to take the next step. And the next step is to install a conversion tracking pixel on your thank you page. So here's how to do it. Log in into your Facebook Ads Manager, then click on Tools and select Conversion Tracking from the dropdown. Click on it, and then click on the green button in the middle of your screen. So just click on Create Pixel. Now you have to choose the type of action you want to measure. So if we click on the checkout, we can measure a number of different actions. So there's checkouts, there's registrations, there's leads, key page views, adds to chart, and other website conversions. Now we're in the process of building up an email list, okay? So we just want to collect emails. And these emails are also referred as leads. So I just want you to go ahead and select leads from the dropdown. Then just give your pixel a descriptive name, or if you're just having one, just go for something casual like email list. And if you're done with that, click on Create Pixel. Great, we have created a conversion tracking pixel. Now let's view the pixel code. This is the snippet of code that you will have to place on your thank you page. It's pretty easy to do. If you know how to do it, then great. If you don't know how to do it and you're not a very techy person, then you'll find out in the next video how to get a conversion pixel installed for only $5. Okay, this is probably one of my favorite resources. It's like, really, don't even bother about trying to install that on your thank you page. The best way to get it done is to just outsource it. Pay someone $5 and to get it installed within a couple of hours. If you have a web developer or you have someone who can install the pixel code on your thank you page, then just go ahead and click on Email Pixel Code. Then you can just add a recipient, and then you can just send them the instructions along with the code, and you can tell them, hey, just install the conversion pixel code on my thank you page. So that's the way to create a conversion pixel. Make sure to get it installed. Again, you can do it yourself if you know how to do it by following these instructions here. So just copy and paste the code between the head and head on the page of your website. You want to track actions. If you don't know how to do that, you can still email the pixel to a web developer or someone who's capable of installing the pixel. And if you say like, hey, I don't want to even deal with that, then you will love the next video where I will show you one resource how you can get your conversion pixel installed very cheaply for actually just $5.